Looking to upgrade your ride with powerful visibility in all weather conditions? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best motorcycle fog lights that offer performance, durability, and style for every rider. Let's get started. Item number 5. Upgrade your ride with LED auxiliary fog lights designed for BMW R1200GS, F800GS, F700GS, F650, and K1600 motorcycles. Operating at DC 12 volts, these lights feature durable aluminum housing and a high-transmission PC lens for enhanced visibility in foggy conditions. The spotlight projector lens delivers focused, long-range illumination, improving safety both ahead and to the sides. With a 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket, installation is flexible and convenient, making them a must-have upgrade for night riders and adventure seekers. Item number 4. Upgrade your BMW motorcycle with these 40-watt 6000 kD auxiliary fog lights designed for models like R1200GS, F800GS, F700GS, F650, and K1600. Featuring a high-power LED chip with pure white light, IP67 waterproof rating, and a durable die-cast aluminum body, these lights are dust-proof, anti-explosion, and built for harsh conditions, 45°C to 85°C. With 30,000 hours lifespan, plug-and-play installation, and stainless steel brackets, they're perfect for bull bars, grill guards, or headache racks. 12-month warranty included. Item number 3. Upgrade your ride with 60-watt LED motorcycle fog lights, perfect for motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, UTVs, and more. Featuring high and low beam modes, 6,000 lumen brightness, and customized LED chips, these lights deliver powerful illumination in all conditions. Built with PC lens and aluminum housing, they're ideal for foggy, rainy, snowy, or dusty environments. The 360-degree adjustable bracket ensures easy installation and optimal lighting direction. Use them as fog lamps, driving lights, or auxiliary spotlights for safer night rides. Item number 2. Enhance your visibility with this 40-watt LED motorcycle auxiliary light, operating on DC 10 to 30 volts with a crisp 6000K white color temperature. Built to last with a 30,000-hour lifespan, it performs in extreme temperatures from -45 to 85°C. Featuring a 360 degrees adjustable mounting bracket and optional black aluminum light guards for lens protection, this light ensures durability and adaptability. With resistance 10% higher than non-resistive models, it offers superior performance and reliability on every ride. Item number 1. Upgrade your ride with the TCMT XF290123 E-Cool White LED light, an aftermarket 100% brand new product built for performance and durability. Featuring a clear lens and high-quality construction, this light ensures improved visibility and a sleek look. Designed for easy installation, though instructions are not included, it's perfect for riders seeking reliable and stylish lighting. Manufactured in mainland China, this LED upgrade is a simple yet powerful enhancement for any motorcycle enthusiast. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel